Hello guys, let's see how we can create this presentation. Okay, this is the same presentation as we created before, but little differences. Okay, at first we need to insert a new slide. In our new slide we need to use rectangles, create two, one, and then by holding Control create a copy of that. Okay, then go here another time and create a rectangle, one. Okay, and hold Control to create another copy too. Okay, it's good. We need to bring it a little back. Then select these two and send them to back. Now we need to color them up. At first we select all of them and save the shape outline to none. Then we select these two by holding Control and then color them, for example this thing, and select these two and color them. This color I think is good. And then we select these two and format the object, and from here set the transparency to the low level. Now we select all of them and go here and give them some effect. Then copy the text. We can give them shadow, but I don't want. Then copy the slide. Bring this out. Bring this out. Make a difference in them. Okay. Now we just delete these two text and copy this text that align center and in the middle. Paste it here. Now set the transition to morph. And let's have a look at what masterpiece we created. Okay, you see it looks pretty amazing. I hope you enjoyed. If you like it, tell me in the comments. Have a nice time.